Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here is how you can install a TTF font in your WP. Come to Elementor, move on, then click on custom fonts. Click add a new font. Name your font. Add variation. TTF is here. Select font. Load from your computer. Downloads, amplitude is there. Open it. After opening, select the file. After selecting the file, publish. And you can preview how your font is looking like. So this is how my font is looking like. So you can also do the same and install a custom font into your WP. Thank you for watching.